Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a Janome educator, and I want to talk to you about an exciting event that is coming to Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse in Houston and Conroe, Texas. Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse will be hosting a Janome CM17 experience. You'll have the opportunity to sit in front of a CM17 and experience all it has to offer. Are you an embroiderer looking for a larger embroidery hoop? Are you a quilter looking for a consistent stitch length when you're doing your free motion, even free motion ruler work? Are you a garment sewer or a bag maker wanting that perfect straight stitch when you're doing your top stitching? You will experience all that and more at this event. The event will be on Friday, October 20th in the Conroe store and Saturday, October 21st in the Houston location. Simply call Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse at 281-469-5377 to sign up or for more information. Don't wait for Houston Quilt Festival to start shopping for your sewing machine. Get your Quilt Festival prices now before the show and start enjoying your machine sooner. See you then.